All right, man. Here go another slight video, man. That's how this shit. Y'all can something behind my house. But anyway, I've been recording some stuff, so I don't even know what's gonna be all in this video. It's probably be little pieces, little this, that, and the third. But anyway, I don't know if y'all see this slow ass Mercedes. I don't know. Y'all probably seen it on YouTube, but my boy Fastliferuss here. You see what I'm saying? That boy alive.
Yeah,
you see,
alive and well.
Little,
the eyes,
all little damages, man.
But if you plug the pictures,
I'm gonna put a picture down here. I'm gonna show you what the car looked like, and this is what he looked like. So I guess he got the better, you know.
Better end of the stick.
Exactly, yeah. So anyway, man, y'all seen the video. Basically, you know, he got in an accident. He made it out alive. The car got parted out. You saw all the parts, right?
Yeah, all the parts. Everybody's
so yeah, anybody asking about the parts still, it's sold already. The Camaro is gone. It's gone already. He's actually out here right now because you doing what?
Give him ID.
Trying to get his ID for reasons that we can't really tell y'all right now. You see what I'm saying? And we was gonna go to the dealership and look at some cars, but like it's so hot and like, you know, we still trying to figure out some other shit. You see what I'm saying?
If I say tomorrow, we'd be able to do that though.
Perhaps.
Yeah.
So so y'all may see a dealership video vlog, something like that. If you follow my car Instagram, his Instagram, basically he debating between a Z06, right?
Yeah, Z06.
And Z01. You see what I'm saying? He went to a dealership.
Whichever's a better deal.
Yeah. He was looking at Hellcats the other day, but you know they wasn't really showing her no respect. You see what I'm saying? So
you gotta respect the guy in the shorts.
Exactly. You know he came out here because he know I know people. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So you want a Hellcat? You know, I get Hellcats. I just ended up getting a Scat Pack because I wanted to. Could have got Hellcat. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, if y'all see my last video, if it was my last video, I'm not for sure. I did order this, you know, if you follow my current Instagram, you can see this is reflective red. And I also ordered, well, I thought I ordered the correct thing for the side. You know, I was trying to basically inlay this 392 reflective red, but I ordered shit for a goddamn charger. So I do have these right here, and I'll put like a little video in here so y'all see. But this is basically reflective red, reflective gold. I'm gonna do a little giveaway, and basically it comes with extra ones just in case you fuck up, you see what I'm saying? But, you know, this is not the main purpose of the video. I'm just showing y'all this because I am going to get this away to somebody because I can't do shit with it. It ain't worth sending back because it's only a couple of dollars. But anyway, you want to tell them what happened, man, just in case they ain't stopped by your channel because they just love my channel so much.
Literally, car lost control. Like, it was just crazy.
Why did it lose control, though?
It was something in the road.
Something in the road.
Tried to get over and the car lost control. Then I just flipped and that was all she wrote. Like, literally.
Yeah, man.
Like, crazy, like.
So basically, you was at like a car event earlier that day.
Yeah, I was actually at a car event.
Yeah.
Met a YouTuber too. Everything was going like smooth. Woke up early, like got some 85, and I was just chilling, bro, and literally driving home.
Hey, definitely go check that video out and drop the prayer hand emoji on that video for my boy. You see what I'm saying? We're trying to run that video all the way up because we're basically trying to bring another car to his channel.
Yeah.
And to do that, we need to raise his revenue. You see what I'm saying? For his YouTube channel. So go ahead. Go to that video, thumbs up, drop the emoji, you see what I'm saying? Definitely sub to the channel. But anyway, so like I said, he out here right now. You gotta go to DMV tomorrow because today it was some type of little, you know, mishap or see what I'm saying? So we may be going to the dealership tomorrow. And you know, that's basically pretty much it, man. I'm gonna put little clips in here, you know, the accident and some pictures. But the main thing is, you see what I'm saying, the boy made it out alive. If you know, this is my second Scat Pack. You know, I was in an accident due to some unfortunate driving from the other person in front of me, you know, and I had the opportunity to then go get a Hellcat or, you know, basically any car I wanted. But just because I had already changed my name to, you know, Scat Pack my own, you see what I'm saying? I didn't feel like changing my name.
The price point too.
Yeah, it was just too. It's literally like, you know, and here go people would say, well, you could have used Hellcat. Well, then I could have got used Scat Pack, and then the price get different, still the same thing. So if I was gonna go the used route, then I would just got used Scat Pack and save the same amount. That's the thing. People like, well, you got new. I got a new Scat Pack because I want a new car. If I was gonna get a Hellcat, it would have been a new Hellcat. If I want to get a used Hellcat, I could have got a used Scat Pack. Just the price difference. Y'all see, I ain't really been putting no videos out, so I got Hellcat. And that Hellcat been sitting right here, and potentially I probably made some videos with it, or more videos, not to show, not for sure, but I wasn't willing to gamble my money, you know, spend extra money for Y'all motherfuckers, because y'all barely watch the channel right now. So, you see what I'm saying?
Bro, you know what's the crazy part?
Yeah.
People literally just commented on my video saying I did an insurance job with my car. I wanted to flip my car, bro.
So, yeah, that didn't make sense because he literally just put all those parts in it, like, within that month. You see what I'm saying? And then he had to, yeah. But that's basically it, man. Make sure y'all stop by my boy's channel, Fastliferuss. Check that video out. Follow my Instagram, his Instagram as well. Make sure you follow my car Instagram, and I'll probably put some at the end of the video how I'm gonna get this away. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna have to be on YouTube and Instagram to get this or whatnot. Hopefully, you know, I get rid of this soon. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but stay tuned. We out.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.